Today I'm making a quilted seat pattern. I've used this heavy paper, much like a wrapping paper that would come around a leather hide when it's shipped to you. It's clean on both sides, and I cut this the size of my saddle seat and spent a little time drawing a old school kind of a seat stitch pattern in here with a pencil. I drew that, and then I've got this C.S. Osborne awl that has just about the right size tip on it so I can punch my holes. I've got my pattern folded right in half. Got an old piece of kind of a scrap leather, not real good. It's about a quarter of an inch thick, and what I'll do is follow my line and punch my holes. With this pattern folded in half like this, when I open it up, it will be mirror imaged on this side over here. Pretty cool. So the next thing, I'll use a talcum or a baby powder to dust my saddle seat, and that'll leave a little trail where I can sew on my sewing machine. It's just been a little quick saddle maker's tip right here. So thanks for watching. Okay, time for my reveal. It's pretty good. Now I'll be able to dust my pattern over onto my suede saddle seat.